New York is known as one of the most opulent cities in the world. From the most expensive cocktails to the home of most millionaires, there is a hustle bustle in this city 24/7, and it's famous that New York never sleeps. So it makes sense that this city will host some of the most expensive hotel suites. Whether you are on a vacation or a staycation in New York, there are some immensely extravagant hotels to choose from, and if you are looking for the most costly, you will not be disappointed in this list. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video, we are going to take a look at 5 most expensive hotel suites in NYC. So let's get started and speed up the details. Suite 5000 at the Mandarin Oriental, $36,000. Mandarin Oriental is situated in the heart of Manhattan, known for its stunning panoramic Central Park and skyline views. And the best views can be seen through gorgeous floor-to-ceiling windows in its flagship Suite 5000, which is on the 50th floor of the hotel. Spanning over 3,300 square feet, this residence has been designed as an enriching cultural experience. This 3-bedroom suite features a media room with a collection of New York-centric films, a sound system with a New York-themed playlist, and living room. The suite has a rotating exhibit of contemporary artwork, an exceptional Swarovski crystal hanging wall installation in the dining room, and a record collection curated by the Academy Records. It also features 2 bathrooms, from which the master bathroom has a large custom soaking tub illuminated by Swarovski crystals. Royal Suite at the Ritz-Carlton, $40,000. This 2,000 square feet suite gives stunning view of Central Park. Situated on 22nd floor, this suite features 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths in a spacious layout, which are outfitted with custom furnishing, limited edition artwork, Carrara marble bathrooms, and luxurious 400 thread count ferrate linens. Guests have access to telescopes so that they can get a better view of Central Park. This suite is perfect for entertaining with multiple living areas, dining room for 12, complimentary bespoke bar, and personal butler services. Guests of the Royal Suite also have access to the hotel's club lounge, which offers complimentary breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea, cocktails, desserts, and a presentation featuring champagne and caviar every Saturday evening. Royal Suite at the Plaza, $40,000. The Palatial Royal Suite is a lavishly appointed 3-bedroom suite with private elevator access, overlooking Fifth Avenue and the legendary Pulitzer Fountain. This suite has been recently renovated, and its residential style layout will allow you to feel right at home. Spanning over 4,400 square feet, this royal suite is fully equipped with a chef's kitchen, a fitness room with a personal trainer on request, dining room for 12, and a living room with a grand piano, perfect for relaxation. Its renovations were inspired by the Louis XV style of French decor, giving the feeling of luxury and opulence at the same time. If you are a reader, then you will be extremely happy to know that the room has its own library too. Ty Warner Penthouse Suite at the Four Seasons, $50,000. Located on the 52nd floor of the Four Seasons is the Ty Warner 4,300 square feet penthouse suite, which is the result of 7-year collaboration between the owner Ty Warner and architects I.M. Pei and Peter Marino. And this 1-bedroom suite cost $50 million to build. This super luxurious suite has only 1 bedroom, with custom designed canopy made of Thai silk with 22-carat pure gold threads. The bed's mattress was fabricated entirely by hand in Sweden, taking 160 hours and using 100% natural materials. The whole suite is filled with luxurious amenities, such as 4 cantilevered glass balconies, which gives a 360-degree views of the city. A private spa treatment room with views of the East River, offered through a botanical screen of bamboo trees. Before heading to number 1, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash the like button and share it with your friends. Penthouse Suite and the Mark, $75,000. If you have a cool $75,000 spare in your pocket to throw into a grand suite, the Mark has the ultimate in hotel suites, all ready for your enjoyment. This is not only the top built in NYC, but it is one of the most expensive hotel rooms in the entire world. Located on a tree-lined street on the Upper East Side of New York City, the hotel has been named Best City Hotel in the US and the Best Hotel in the New York in 2020. The crown jewel of the hotel is the duplex penthouse suite that spans 10,000 square feet, which is claimed to be the largest hotel suite in the US. This masterpiece features 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, 2 powder rooms, library, kitchen, dining room, and a living room, as well as a 2,500 square foot terrace that overlooks Central Park. Designed by legendary French interior designer Jacques Grang, the lavishly adorned penthouse will be more like a majestic residence, representing the modern luxury with exceptional comfort and care in every detail. Decorated with a custom furniture, every piece is unique to the Mark. It has a stunning private rooftop terrace with an outdoor dining and entertaining area, with breathtaking views of the city. So, which suite is your favorite one? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video of most expensive hotel suites in New York. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more expensive videos like this. And don't forget to watch another expensive video right here. Bye bye.